Hi, everybody. I'm super happy to be here in front of all of you. My name is Lucas. I joined the xExchange team 1 year ago, and since June, I am the head of xExchange. In this talk, I'm going to present to you the next version of xExchange, xExchange v3. xExchange is the go-to place to trade tokens on MultiversX. It is also the go-to place for projects to list their tokens. Since xExchange launch, there have been 5 million trades, $7 billion of volume, and 79 tokens listed. xExchange has been crucial to MultiversX growth. It was the first decentralized exchange. It started the whole MultiversX decentralized finance, and it is the most used app on MultiversX. And xExchange v3 is going to contribute even more to MultiversX growth. We started the journey towards xExchange v3 by doing the most important thing, user interviews. In this picture, you can see us interviewing Stephen. We don't have our best faces on this picture. I have not trained my bird for ages, and I'm closing the eyes, but it's really not important. The objective of user interviews was to understand how you use xExchange. And we discovered something that shocked us. All the users we interviewed were struggling using xExchange. Expert users were confused about important aspects of xExchange, such as metastaking. Regular users were exhausted by all the steps, actions, and transactions required. And beginner users were lost for even the most basic action of swapping. From all these user interviews, we learned a key lesson. The most needed thing for xExchange right now is simplicity. And by simplicity, we don't talk about just simplifying a few things here and there. We talk about simplifying each and every aspect of xExchange to its maximum. It has been a huge work from the design team, smart contract team, business development team, backend team, and front-end team. More than 30 components have been redesigned to make the interface feel natural. 12 contracts have been created to reduce actions to the bare minimum, and a lot of concepts have been renamed to make them click instantly in your head. So let's start to discover what is going to come in xExchange v3. The first thing to come in xExchange v3 is a position creator. We want you to be able to farm with any token in one click. So right now, if you want to farm, you might have to visit 4 pages, sign 6 transactions, and spend 5 minutes of your time. In xExchange v3, thanks to the position creator, you will only need to go on one page, sign 1 transaction, and spend less than 30 seconds of your time. That's a 10 times improvement. For example, let's say you want to open a position in the UTK EGLD pool. First step, you select the position type, either a pool, a farm, or a dual farm. Second step, you enter the token you want to deposit and the amount, and it's done. The second thing to come in xExchange v3 is a new energy interface. Energy is a very powerful concept. The more energy you have, the more benefits you get from xExchange. But right now, if you want to understand the concept of energy, you nearly need a PhD in science. It's a little bit too much. In xExchange v3, it will become dead simple. You will only need to understand the following. As a user, you will have a battery, and if you want to increase your energy, you either need to increase the capacity of your battery or the charge of your battery. That's all. And we have worked hard to nicely present your battery. The key information about your energy is also going to be nicely presented to you. The third thing to come in xExchange v3 is a new exchange structure. It will allow you to find features faster. The new structure will contain, first, a dashboard page to manage your position, a trade page to trade tokens, an earn menu to earn rewards, and an energy page to manage your energy. And in the earn menu, you will have three options. First, pools, to participate to pools, farms, and dual farms. Dual farm is the new name for the meta-staking of farms. Second, a stake page, where you will be able to stake your tokens and earn rewards. Stake is a new name for the meta-staking of tokens. And third, Discover, to discover MultiversX projects and earn rewards. Discover is the new name for the meta-bonding program. In xExchange v3, everything will get redesigned. On top of this, there are many more improvements. First, gasless trade. Right now, an Ethereum user that bridges token to MultiversX is immediately stuck on MultiversX because he doesn't have EGLD to pay for the transaction gas. This won't be an issue anymore with gasless trade. Second, premium account will push your account to its limits. At launch, it will include autoclaim, a service that will claim your rewards for you without you having to do anything. And second, an advanced trading interface with price charts and market trades. And third, boosted rewards, especially boosted staking rewards and boosted dual farm rewards. The more you have energy, the more you will earn of these rewards. A little bit too fast, but I will say it on this slide. There are many more things coming to xExchange, but unfortunately, I don't have the time to talk about it. But many more improvements are going to come also. xExchange v3 is planned for the fourth quarter of 2023, and I invite all of you to go on xExchange Agora and to share your feedback on xExchange v3. We still have time to simplify further. Let's now take a step back and discuss the xExchange growth strategy. It is made of 4 pillars. The first one is simplicity. It is the focus of xExchange v3, and we will set a whole new standard of simplicity. Second, powerfulness. You can already trade tokens, invest, and discover projects on xExchange. Projects can also list tokens, get funding, and build their community. In the following version, even more powerful features are going to be released. Third, permissionless. Recently, we made the listing of tokens permissionless. In the next versions of xExchange, even more aspects are going to become permissionless. And fourth, community and governance may be the most important one. Recently, we released the xExchange Agora, and soon you will be also able to vote. With these 4 pillars, xExchange is going to go very far. I can assure you that the months and years ahead of us are going to be super exciting. I thank you all for your attention, and let's go back to work.